Wee. 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 Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Fuck. That's a tree.
Oh, well, well.
Well, what? Did I just hit you?
Yeah.
What the fuck was that? What just happened?
So I went over that jump as I was getting out of my car. I hit the very fucking edge of it and rolled down, and then you hit me on my way back up.
Yeah, I didn't even see you until after everything happened. I was like, wait a minute.
Anyway, I noticed that bright white anywhere.
Wait a minute. Why is there a bunch of red jam on the top of my car now? That wasn't there before.
That was a pretty loud speed bump.
Oh, look at me in my fancy, my fancy reflective pants.